Well, hello. Half full Monty here with the old Camp Chef woodwind. About 6 years old, still kicking it on pretty good, getting her warmed up, fired up. Gonna cook us a little steak here today. But here in North Texas, let's see here. Well, the back porch is, let me get and show you. I can see what I'm looking at here. Looks like about 120 degrees, the cement is. Yeah, it's supposed to be 110 today, so decided I'd get out here and just imagine I'm at the health club in the sauna. So that's it. I'm gonna have us a steak. Sometimes I use the grill on it and braise it, braise it, then smoke it. Sometimes I smoke it and then braise it. And sometimes I just smoke it in here. So it's always good. So that's it for today. Half full Monty out.